Good morning. I just took a short here on Netflix. It is at all-time highs, earnings killed, and big gap up. I do feel the move is a little extended. We will have some profit takers, so I'm short small size, only 50 shares here at 256.75. So we'll see if we can get maybe like 3 points. Okay, it's been about a minute. I just covered there for a little less than my target. So $111. It was a quick trade. Just take the money and see what else sets up. Okay, I just took a short on Amazon here as well. 30 shares at 1344.57.
I was debating 5-minute buy trigger, and then I'm like, you know what, with the whole number.
Amazon is up, I think, with Netflix and the rest of the market. And I think it was up 3% yesterday.
At least a quarter.
And now it's already gapping up another percent, more than a percent. So I do think we're going to have some profit takers. So here's my P&L. I think we can get a few points out of this one for sure because it's a much higher price stock than Netflix. So we'll wait it out. Okay, it's just been around 3 minutes here. We got a decent move. Up around 5 points in the trade. See if give a little bit more. Okay, it's been another 2 minutes. I just went ahead and covered there
parameters here
at 1338.54, short from 1344.40 for a $180 gain.
155.
It is 938, currently up 291 on the day. I think I'm going to call it a day. I'm traveling to California a little bit later. So maybe I'll take a trade from the airport. Who knows? We'll see what will manifest, but not a bad beginning to the day. The reason I did short both of those, I felt Amazon was up, as I said, 3% yesterday, a very nice move, and then I think it just gapped up due to Amazon having killer earnings. So I felt like there was going to be a lot of people that wanted to take profits because, in my opinion, that was pretty easy money. And the Netflix trade had a really nice after earnings run. Closed after hours around 246, and then it opened up at 254, ran to 257, and I felt that was an easy short for me as well, just a little bit extended on both of those names.
DPW.
So I'm a day trader, and I do take scalps and medium-term positions, so those two were ones I felt I could capitalize on in the 10 minutes that I did. So that's just an explanation of those trades.
The next catalyst on the daily is
See you next time.
far away, but
Okay, Amazon popped back up already after I covered, luckily, and went and made a new high. So I did short again. Still have the same bias on it, so
Didn't get that
we'll see. I don't think I don't think it's going to give that big of a move back down again. Don't plan on waiting that long, but we'll see if we can snag a few points. Okay, it's been around 4 minutes.
I'm saying I like it. I'm just
got a little
saying
move down here.
that's
Currently up
moving on.
around 120 in the trade.
Really high for me.
Let's see if I can see if we can get down to 1342.50. Okay, we did get to 1342.50. I'm going to see if I can cover here at 1342.77. My order's in the green. Okay, I canceled that order because the market, you can see the bottom chart is still selling off.
Pretty quick fashion.
So see if I can get 1341.38.
T volume. Adam and
okay, so it went down. I didn't fill that last one. I ended up getting filled at 1342.72 for a $235 gain. Currently up 527 on the day. It's 938. Just 3 trades today. Short Netflix, and you can see if I pull back the Netflix chart, the one I was short, I got out quite a bit early, but I was just scalping it. Maybe should have held on to half the shares and let them trail the rest. And Amazon shorted the opening pop, covered at the dip, made a new high, shorted again, same bias, and covered on the pullback. So going to call it a day here. See you next vid.